Base ISO has become a major selling point in cameras over the years, so let's go over what that is and what it means for your work. Base ISO refers to the lowest ISO that will produce the most dynamic range and the least amount of noise in your image. So basically, it's the lowest one that will give you the cleanest image from the sensor. How do you know which ISO is the base? Well, that depends on a handful of factors: the camera manufacturer, whether you're doing stills or video, and which picture profile you're using. Let's take a look at the Sony A9 III for this example. I know if I want to take stills, my base ISO is ISO 250. Here's an example of an image taken at ISO 250. Now here's another image taken at ISO 1600. If you look closely, the details in the ISO 1600 image are much noisier than they are in the ISO 250 one. For video, the application is somewhat the same but also a little different. If you're just shooting straight out of camera with the basic settings, your base ISO will be ISO 250, same as photography. But it's when you get to shooting in log that the settings will have to change. With the Sony A9 III, when shooting in S-Log, your base ISO will be ISO 2000. That's the lowest ISO that will give you the most dynamic range and the least amount of noise for that picture profile. The importance of shooting at base ISO in photography and video is essentially to get the cleanest image out of your camera sensor. So send this to someone who could use a quick explainer on what base ISO is.